Section 9 addresses critical route pairs. A table of critical route pairs can be found in the Mobility Procedures Manual. Per the manual, if a route that is identified on the list of critical route pairs needs to be temporarily restricted, ODOT will take steps to make sure the paired critical route is not restricted. If there are no conflicts, indicate in question 3 who confirmed this information. In coordinating critical route pairs, it's essential to communicate within a region, between regions, and statewide to ensure an identified alternate critical route pair will not be concurrently restricted. Section 10 addresses height, length, and weight considerations. In question 1, indicate if your project will require restricting a bridge for weight. ODOT's size and weight restrictions policy provides specific guidelines for weight restrictions that must be followed when a weight restriction is needed. Some examples of temporary weight restrictions: some weight-restricted bridges require heavy loads to straddle the center line. If a lane needs to be closed, preventing them from straddling, a temporary weight restriction may be needed until the lane restriction is lifted. Bridge containment systems can also add significant load to a bridge and in some cases require a temporary weight restriction until the containment system can be removed. Question 2 addresses length. If your work zone will have curves of more than 5 degrees, oversized loads may need to be restricted to prevent off-tracking. Question 3 addresses temporary height restrictions. Indicate if the vertical clearance for traffic will be reduced due to temporary obstructions over the roadway. Examples include temporary traffic signals, bridge false work, and bridge containment systems.